first $500 per day with affiliate marketing using Google pay-per-click. Now, why I'm always talking about Google pay-per-click? The simple reason, right? I'm always looking for buyers over prospects. I don't want to spend my money or waste my money or waste my time promoting something on some platform that will not convert to sales. So that's why I'm always looking to the shotgun approach. And if you have a really bad situation in your life right now, or if you have a great situation, if you want to make money online, I would suggest start with Google pay-per-click. Why? Because they are buyers, right? People go on Google to buy. They don't go on Google to connect to friends and family, like for example on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook ads, right? With Facebook ads, people are there to socialize. They're not there in the frame of mind to buy, right? No one ever wakes up in the morning and think, heck, I'm going to go to the Facebook to buy some weight loss supplement. No, it doesn't happen. But people go to Google to buy products, to search for the solutions to their pain and problems, of course, right? Does it make sense? It makes sense, of course. So that's why Google pay-per-click is the way to go. Now, you do need to have someone that will guide you through step by step along the way, that will help you to set up those ad campaigns. You don't have to waste your time and money, right? On stuff that does not convert, that does not work. As simple as it sounds, you do need to have someone that will help you along the way so that you can get the results you desire, right? Especially with affiliate marketing. Now, it doesn't matter, are you using ClickBank, MaxWeb, or any other network, right? Personally, I love CPA affiliate marketing because it pays really, really well, right? There is zero refunds, and also they're quality, high quality products. You remember, you have to care about the prospect. You have to understand that if you promote high quality products, it's 50% higher rate of upsell take rate. It means that if I buy a weight loss supplement and I'm happy about that supplement, it's not a crappy product, it's not a scammy product, I will enjoy the product, I will buy more of it, or I will buy another digital upsell, another course, or whatever, right? Fitness coaching. So there is many options if you know what you're doing. So that's, I'm telling you, very important tip. You need to have an edge in affiliate marketing. What is the edge? Someone who have connections, relationship, and networks with vendors. Very important thing, right? I'm telling you, I'm in affiliate marketing full time. Yes, I have this crazy lifestyle. I fly first class, business class all the time. I travel around the world all the time. But I also network. I have connections with other networks, with other business owners who are in affiliate marketing, right? Why? Because it's very important. I'm not a YouTuber. Even though I'm making YouTube videos, I'm not a YouTuber. I consider myself a professional connector. I connect with other people. We work together as a team, and then we can scale. That is the only way you can scale the online business. If you're afraid of people, if you're hiding behind a keyboard, you have to understand you need to have someone to help you along the way. Yes, you can watch other YouTubers, but it will not give you the advantage of having a personal friendship, personal relationship with someone that know what they're doing, right? So very important thing, having an access to the person one-on-one. That will give you a special advantage, especially if you want to run Google Ads. I would suggest you start with a low budget and then slowly scale up as you are getting further, as you are getting results, right? Very important thing. So if you want to have this kind of lifestyle, if you want to make money online with affiliate marketing using Google Ads, right? Google Ads, it's quality leads. If you're doing lead generation, it's quality leads on Google, right? And if you know what you're doing, you can succeed really well, right? You can start even with $5-10 per day, generate leads with simple blog posts, value added, harvest emails, build your email list on the back end, and have a huge results. I mean, sustainable passive income. I'm not talking about crazy $1 million per day or stuff like that, right? I'm talking about sustainable income from you and your family, right? I'm talking about $10,000, $25,000 per month income. If you're serious, I mean, if you really want to do something for yourself. So if you're watching this video, if you want to get results, you can subscribe to my channel now. And under this video is going to be links to my social media accounts. You can reach me on WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, email me. You can even go to my private email list where I'm sharing the additional bonuses for free, giving different options out there, hot offers, hot niches that are working right now. And if you want to work with me or get the results with affiliate marketing, let me know. Connect with me only if you are serious. If you have some money to invest, there is no freebies. Remember, this is serious business. You have to have the money to invest. And if you're serious and if you want to have long-term results, if you're not the procrastination type of person who only procrastinates and waits and waits and waits and make excuses on why they cannot succeed or why they cannot invest, then that's not for you. I promise you, it is not for you. But if you are serious, if you want to change your family life, your own life, then let me know. Subscribe to this channel and links are below. Thank you for watching.